Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So SUI has moved away again from support. We've broken above the last high, which I discussed in the last video update. Yeah. So ultimately, the overall, even though the overall wave count hasn't changed, even though it's been a few days, but SUI has, obviously been front running this entire rally that we are now seeing in the altcoin sector. So SUI already had its time, right? And this entire rally that started already in August on the SUI chart, gained a lot of attention during that period. And ultimately, I still think there is some scope for some further upside in the very short term. Just need to move to the right to this micro, let's say, target area above. We have a target area between 424 and 592 for that next move up. At the moment, the idea is, you might hear the dog in the background there, coughing. So he's fine though. You might see here the extension and the microstructure of this extension. So we have a 1-2 setup that possibly completed. That was not a very clear 1-2 setup that I communicated or so, but I communicated that setup for the start of a wave 5, right? The micro support region out of which we are now, leaving. We're leaving that support area. The price broke above the trend line. Broke back below it after an initial break, but we're now back above it quite comfortably. And even here, you could readjust the trend line. It's a breakout above a trend line. And it was a reaction to pretty much the 38.2 retracement there at 291, just above that actually. We have a 3-wave move up so far. So the next target or the next objective for the bulls is a break above the 17th of November high. So a break above 394, 395. And then next move up would be here an internal third wave, obviously, right? To break above that last swing high and then complete the internal third wave, then get the 4th wave consolidation done and the 5th wave. And, if it really forms 5 waves, I think there's a good case to be made that it could reach the $5.20 area there, which is the next fib level. And it's very close to a larger degree fib level, which is here on the larger, these are the larger degree Fibonacci levels, 557. So I'd say between 520 and 557 kind of makes sense as a reasonable, let's say it's a reasonable expectation. And the price needs to hold above the last swing low. Okay, that's key. I mean, this is really key. The last swing low, they're around $3.17, must hold to keep the overall uptrend alive. Any break below it increases the risk and potential that we're already in the larger 4th wave. So ultimately, we had a micro support area here, and I told you that I'm looking for higher prices directly as long as above 265 in the current structure I just explained to you. Any break below it though, and the break below the last swing low at 317 would already increase the risk for that. Any break below it, followed by a break below 265, would sort of confirm that we are in the larger wave 4 already. And then my ultimate support area for a bullish scenario is defined between $1.71 to $2.09. It's down there. This is the overall support area for a 4th wave, larger degree 4th wave. And any break below 171, and I don't really have any clear bullish scenario left. But for now, we'll see if it can move higher. I told you all about the support levels and targets, and also the alternative short-term bearish scenario should the market roll over. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.